What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get power rods in arc readers. The first and easiest method is crafting them at your workshop and go straight to the refiner. From there you can craft power rods using 2 advanced electrical components and 2 arc circuitry. If you already have those materials, you can make them instantly. If you don't want to craft them, you can also find power rods as loot. Let me show you how to look for them on the map. For example, on the battlegrounds map, focus on areas marked with the small electrical component icon. If that icon is highlighted in yellow or red, it means the loot there is rarer and more valuable. Once you're in those areas, search everything, check electrical dashboards, drawers and nearby containers because power rods can spawn in multiple loot spots. You'll also have a much better chance of finding one during night raids or electrical storms since higher tier loot spawns more often in those conditions. That's how you can get power rods in arc raiders. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.